Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Food and Heartopia game new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The festival event has been released in Heartopia and there is a cooking challenge that we need to finish. And one of the cooking challenge is making the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Food. And to make this festival food, guys, you need to have the popcorn serving cart like this. Okay, and you need to craft this item before you make the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Food. If you don't know how to get this item, you can watch my previous video. Okay, once you have this popcorn serving cart, you can start to make the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Food. And these are the festival foods that you can make. But before you make the food, make sure that you purchase the recipe from Masimo cooking store. And you can go to the central square to meet Massimo, and you can buy the recipe. Then just go to the popcorn serving cart, and I'm going to create, for example, this wavy potato chips. We will need potato and also this ingredient. You can buy it from Massimo and you can start cooking. Okay, and don't forget to adjust the heat level. And yeah, just like this. It's almost done. Okay. Alright, and I've just made the potato chips. Okay guys, and that's how we can that's how we can cook the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Food in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.